Good afternoon, folks. My name is Michael Marrow, coming to you from MarineMax Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'm going to take you to our 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX IO. Let's start on the stern of the boat. You see this huge sun pad here. It does recline up. You have a little section here where you can fold up here, just for more comfort. You have a huge swim platform, and underneath the swim platform, you have a submersible swim step, which comes out from underneath the platform and gives you some more area in the water. Once you come aboard here, so as you walk in, first thing let's look at is we have a grill, sink, and a little cooler over here. Keep some ice, soft drinks, and underneath you have a fridge. Huge cockpit, plenty of room for entertaining. This seat will actually swivel out to make this one large wraparound entertaining area, and of course it does come with this table. As we're sitting here, let's look up real quick. Right here you have a large sunshade. You push a button and this goes all the way out past that back sun pad. So you have two large front seats. Your passenger seat's a double bolstered seat, as well as a double bolstered captain's chair. Now, speaking of captain, whoever's going to be operating this boat, couldn't ask for anything easier to run. You have a joystick piloting system right here. You have your skyhook, autopilot, everything's in tune with this joystick right here. The new Mercury digital throttle system, the whole boat's push button start. Above that you have your trim tab system, and this does have auto tabs. You simply hit auto and everything does, the tabs work for itself. You don't have to do anything on its own. Twin Simrad screens right here, and the Apollo Fusion touchscreen stereo head right there. Has a huge downstairs / head. This does have the interior upgrade, head interior upgrade. It gives a little bit more accent, a little bit more nice design. And coming forward, you have the bow of the boat. Again, you can fit 6 adults up here comfortably. For comfort, you do have armrests on both sides, and we do have an area to put a table here. Going even a little bit forward, this boat is equipped with a windlass system. It's all remote control. You can actually operate it from the helm, or you can operate it right here as you're looking at the anchor. Sea Ray really put a wonderful boat with this 310 SLX. This boat's pretty loaded, has everything that you can really get on this model. If you have any further questions about this boat or anything we can do to help you, please call us at 609-926-0600. And again, my name is Michael Marrow, and I look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a wonderful day.